Hi Broncos, this is Miss Aston. Today I want to show you some of the features of a database called Gale Virtual Reference Library. And to get to this database, I need to log into McInVia. I'm going to start typing the word Coppell and then select our school, Coppell Middle School East. I'm then going to enter my username and password. The username and password that you will enter is your normal school username and password. Your username has 3 letters and 4 numbers, and your password is whatever you use to log into the computers here at school. Once I've logged into McInVia, I see a list of all 24 of our databases. And the database that I want to use today is called Gale Virtual Reference Library. This is a database of ebooks, reference books, nonfiction books, encyclopedias. You will only find ebooks in Gale Virtual Reference Library. I'm going to click Open Now. And this is the home screen of Gale Virtual Reference Library. And I see what looks like the covers of books. That's because it is. All of these images are covers of books. If I want to see what environment books we have, I can look here. If I want to see what history ebooks we have, I can look here. But the best way and fastest way to search Gale Virtual Reference Library is to use the search bar at the top. So I'm going to search the term Kristallnacht and hit enter. And I can see that Kristallnacht is mentioned in 270 different books. This is from Gale Virtual Reference Library. Remember, this is a library of ebooks. So I have 270 mentions of Kristallnacht. I can limit this search by using some of the filters on the right. Maybe I want only reference books that mention Kristallnacht and Jewish persecution. I could click here. But I'm pretty happy with just my basic search of Kristallnacht. And once I start looking at my search results, I can see that the format is the same. I have my search term, and then under the search term in blue, I have the title of the book that the information is coming from. And I use the title of the book to help me determine where to click. For example, the title of this book is called Encyclopedia of Genocide and Crimes Against Humanity. This is the information in this book about Kristallnacht. That might be a good option, but I want to scroll a little bit more just to see what else is available. I can see that the title of this book is Encyclopedia of the Great Depression. Well, that's probably not going to give me the kind of information I need. I can keep scrolling. And I really think that this second entry from the Encyclopedia of Genocide and Crimes Against Humanity, I think that that might give me the best information. So I'm going to click on Kristallnacht. And when the page opens, it looks like an article. But really what you are seeing is a digitized version of a page. This comes from page 626 in this book. So I can scroll and read and take some notes. But one of the best things about using an ebook instead of a physical book for research is that because this is part of a database, my source citation is already done for me. So I will copy my citation from the very beginning of the citation to the very end, which is today's date. I'm going to copy and paste this into my works cited. So this has been a quick overview of using Gale Virtual Reference Library. Remember, this is going to be a collection of ebooks, nonfiction books, reference books, and encyclopedias. And I'm confident that you'll be able to find some great information using this database. If you need any help, please come see me in the library. Thanks, Broncos.